I'm Zoe Davidson and I'm a hobby jeweler, and I have been purchasing tools and products from CooksonGold for about 2 years now, and I'm really happy with them. I'm just going to show you some of the purchases I got and just review them. So the purchases today I'm going to show you are solder paste. Here I've got easy solder paste and a hard solder paste for sterling silver. They are so easy to use. When you get them, they come with the syringe with all the parts, the needle and the lid. And the needle, this is where the paste comes out of. And you can get them in the forms of easy, medium and hard, just like strip solder. And you can also get it in different alloys, such as 9-carat yellow gold, 9-carat red gold, and 18-carat yellow gold, and of course sterling silver. So, and it is so much faster than using the traditional borax and cone, which you use with the strip solder. It just saves so much time, so much faffing about cutting the solder. It's just so much easier. So yeah, I'm just going to show you. So I'm going to use the hard solder, lid off, and then you just put a little dot. That's just one. I'm just soldering some rings. And then just gonna heat it up. And it just works just like the traditional borax cone, flux, and strip solder. You might need to put a little bit more of the solder paste on because there's less solder than you would have in the strip solder. That's one. And that's the other. And then just dip it in the water. And yeah, that's it. Done, like, so fast. You just put that in the pickle and just sandpaper the solder off, and that's it, done. The prices are about £15, I think, for 10 grams. And yeah, it might seem a lot of money, but compared to the borax cone and stuff, but you're saving so much time. So if you're like in a jewelry business, that is of course saving money, because time is money. So yeah, I hope that was okay for you, and thank you for listening. Bye.